Good morning, students. Today we will study about inheritance of two gene dihybrid cross. It is a cross between two parents differing in two pairs of contrasting character. Mendel made some dihybrid cross in pea plant. Example: cross between pea plant with round shape and yellow colored seed, that is capital R and capital Y, and wrinkle shaped and green colored seed, that is small r and small y. While doing the experiment, that is parent, gamete, and this is F1 generation, means that F1 generation the progeny were round and yellow. Again, after doing self cross, the resultant of F2 is on observing that F2 generation, that is ratio of dihybrid is 9:3:1. Round and yellow 9, round and green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. It is derived as a combination series of 3 yellow, 1 green with 3 round, 1 wrinkled, that is 3:1, 3:1. That means 9:3:3:1. On observing that F2, Mendel found that the yellow and green color segregated in a 3:1 ratio. Round and wrinkled seed shape also segregate in a 9:1 ratio. And here we can see dihybrid genotypic ratio, dominant R and Y, that is 1. That Mendel's third law is also known as law of independent assortment or law of free recombination. When one or more than pair of character are involved in a cross, factor pair independently segregate from the other pair of character. We can also say this principle states that if we consider the inheritance of two or more genes at a time, their distribution in the gamete and in the progeny of the subsequent generation is independent of each other. Why did Mendel's work remain unrecognized? Communication was not easy and his work would not be widely published. The concept of gene, that is factor, as stable and discrete units were not accepted throughout. The Mendel would not explain the continuous variations seen in nature. Mendel's mathematical approach was totally new and unacceptable. Mendel could not provide any physical proof for existence of factors. In 1900, D. Varis, Correns, and von Mark independently rediscovered Mendel's results. Thank you for today.